Hey, how you doing? Today we're going to be showing you me installing my BroncBuster rear shock Under Armour protection plates. These things. So let's get to it. So we're gonna put them there and there, just like that. And there you have it. I'm not gonna bore you with my fight to put two simple objects on the truck. So instead, go to this link right down here, okay? Go to that, it'll also be in the description. Go to Bronco Nation and watch them put that on because they have much better videos, makes it really simple. My videos make it look complicated and frustrating, so happy trails.